Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection, physically and logically. Put the watch on its charger and bring it close to your iPhone. The watch app opens automatically. Sign into the same Apple ID on both devices and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. This lets Health receive Apple Watch data. Once the pairing prompt appears, follow on-screen steps to scan the animation or set up as new. This establishes the secure link that enables Health syncing. Once paired, focus on permissions because they control what flows into Health. During watch setup, accept data sharing and diagnostics prompts. This grants the watch permission to write and read health metrics. Make sure you open iPhone settings, go to Health, then Data Access and Devices to confirm the watch is listed and toggles for heart, activity, steps, sleep, and workouts are allowed. Doing this ensures accurate, continuous syncing, so the Health app receives each metric reliably. You're nearly done. Verify data appears in Health under the relevant categories, and give it a few minutes to populate. If data is missing, force close both the Watch and Health apps, then reopen them. Make sure iCloud is signed in with Health enabled so data syncs across devices. If problems persist, restart the Watch and iPhone and install any Watch OS or iOS updates. These steps resolve the vast majority of sync issues and keep your metrics current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.